Goodness gracious. This exquisite axe is indeed assembled through a meticulous process. Using 3D printing technology, an accurate model of the axe was created. The sawtooth-shaped design was then transferred onto the steel surface, and the corresponding tenon and mortise structures were precisely cut according to the blueprint. The edges were polished meticulously, and areas inaccessible to machinery were carefully smoothed using files. The superior properties of 4140 steel, particularly its excellent toughness after heat treatment, were fully utilized. After heating, the quenching process commenced, followed by sand casting. The model was placed in a square frame filled with molding sand and compacted. The cover plate was secured with screws, subsequently flipped over. The other half of the mold was fabricated in the same manner. Upon removing the axe model, the steel for the axe blade was positioned, and the handle mold was blocked with a sand cooker, completing the casting mold. The raw material for the axe consisted of recycled copper, which was melted in a crucible. The molten copper was poured into the mold and allowed to cool and solidify. Once removed, the excess part of the pouring gate was trimmed off, revealing the rough shape of the axe. The rough shape was refined with a grinder, and the edge was sharpened. The axe was then assembled, and a piece of wood chip was glued with strong adhesive. Any excess was trimmed off, and the surface was smoothed with a file. Finally, a layer of wood wax oil was applied to the handle, resulting in a beautifully finished bronze hand axe.